So today I'm going to show you a couple of Pottery Barn dupes that I decided to try my best at, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so first I measured out 36 inches for the main rope. Next, I measured out and pre-cut all my macrame cord. I was really striving to get the same dimensions as the actual product from Pottery Barn, so I grabbed this book because it was the closest I could get to 9 inches. And I took the yarn that I had from Dollar Tree and I wrapped it around the book 10 times, cut the yarn at the bottom, and tied a double knot at the top with the macrame cord. The macrame cord I bought is actually really thick, so I was able to pull and separate each piece of cord into 3 strands. To finish off the tassel, I formed a loop and wrapped the string around the loop 4 times, tucked one end through the loop and pulled the other end underneath, and then I cut off both ends. In total, I made 19 pink tassels, 7 white tassels, and 8 gray tassels. Next, I wrapped painter's tape around the end of the main rope and strung 54 wooden beads on the end. Just using my finger, I spaced out the beads in advance to make space for adding the tassels. I laid out the entire project on a large board that I had sitting here, and that helped me to lay out all the tassels the way I wanted before tying them in place. So I have no clue how to macrame and I never have tried it, so I just tied each tassel with a double knot, and it wasn't perfect, but it did look good in the end. Check it out. So for project number 2, I needed shorter tassels, so I turned the book horizontally and I wrapped the yarn around the same book 10 times. Using some bead-along thread that I had from another project, I tied one end of the tassel and double knotted it. Next, I strung 2 clear beads and a jump ring onto the end and double knotted the end. After that, I strung the 2 ends back through the top bead only, then double knotted them and cut off the ends. Looking back at this video now, I'm a little sad that you guys can see how cracked my hands are, but at least you know I'm washing my hands like crazy, right? To finish off the tassel, I again made a loop. I wrapped the yarn around it 4 times, threaded one end through the loop, and pulled the other end out until the ends were underneath the wrapped part, and then I cut off the ends. In total, I made 30 tassels. Finally, I took one long piece of macrame cord and strung the 30 tassels to complete it, and here's how it turned out. Thank you so so much to everyone who's watching, and a special shout out to Latonda Arnold and Rosie C. Martinez. You guys are just all so awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great day.